Everybody's all hungover from last night's party. No rush. I have a lot of storage tonight. Are you gonna be shy? I deleted your video. See if you can do it. So we're starting to come better timing. Like every time I run out of storage or the phone runs out, it starts to happen. So we tried to trick it tonight. I think it used to do that because it was like, no one's paying you any money, so we'll tease them. But I don't know, I had this great idea. So is it bad that you have the potential, possibly, if I put my profile, to QR code a donation? Isn't that super simple? And it's like, it's gonna be going directly to me because I'm telling you, like, it's not a scam. I don't see how there could be a scam. I mean, if somebody stole it, then I would cancel my PayPal and then we wouldn't have to worry about it. And then that would be a fail. But maybe not. This is something that I've been thinking about. Sorry. I was like, it's impossible to monetize. I did the math. I think I would have to be like 400 years old at this rate. So I was thinking before tonight's show begins, I was gonna ask the universe if y'all are okay with that before y'all begin your show. And also think about this, like, I know I'm not trying to be all like gloating or anything, but that's what happens whenever it's like, hey, you have to figure out a way to survive, right? And it was like, it came to me. It was like, wait a minute, I could do this maybe? So this video is brought to you by our friends at paypal.com. One of the most like user-friendly websites for these kind of services that I have ever had. Actually extremely easy to, I would say, I don't know how fast that was. You just click on like an amount, I say. Because you would be, I guess, giving me, I don't know, a tip, right? Or something like that. So it's all legal and stuff. It's not a bad thing. YouTube is probably upset now that I'm saying this because I'm trying to say that that's what I need to be in that field. The innovators. I might be the first person to ever come up with a brilliant idea. So that's why I'm telling you, YouTube, like, beforehand. Nobody else watches this, but, how do you say it? How about you honor that? And then you can, like, say that's impossible for other people. Or you could just let me be monetized. But you said no. And you were really upset. You were like, if you keep asking, we're just gonna take you off the internet. So that's why our friends at PayPal came to save the day. Thank you. All right, let's return. That's what I'm saying. Like, some institution or one of these labels, they're gonna find a scene and they're gonna be like, dude, Geostorm 3, Apocalyptic, Atlas is so close. And they're gonna be like, I don't know how to make the background of something coming like that. If I was watching a movie in IMAX and I saw this, I'd be like, wow, that's pretty good CGI, right? You don't even need to do the CGI. You just like, I guess, would just say copy and paste. But I know you could CGI. You now know what absolutism looks like. So like whenever your movies come out and the scientists all make fun of y'all and say, dude, that's not even really scientific, you would be the people, because the science community, they're ignoring me. So why doesn't Hollywood come out with like, I know, like you'd have to do it like really fast because they're catching on. So it'd be like blitz it and come out with all of this